Want to use Instagram fonts and caption styles on edits? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can use Instagram font and caption styles. Start by heading over to your application edits. Make sure that you have already installed this application. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. It will open up a gallery. Select any of the video that you want to edit. Once you have selected, if you want to add Instagram fonts, tap on text at the bottom of the screen. Enter the text that you want to add to the video. Once you have entered, now if you want to change the font, head over to this icon. Tons of different fonts will be available to you. Select any of the specific font that you want to add. From here, you can add whichever font that you want. Let me select this one for now. Once you've added, now you can adjust this text anywhere on the screen. Once done, now if you want to add the captions, then click on Captions at the bottom. It will auto-generate the caption for you. Once it has been generated, now if you want to change the caption style, then simply click on the text. You can see the option of edit at the bottom of the screen. Click on this font icon. Choose any of the style of font that you want to add. You can also change the color of the font. Once done, you can adjust this text anywhere on the screen. After that, you'll be good to go. That's it, and this is simply how you can use Instagram font and caption style. If this helped, give a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.